In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access and edit your Wix contact list. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. You should already be signed into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left side of the screen and click Customers and Leads. This will open the area where Wix stores your customer and lead information. Next, select Contacts. This will take you to your full contact list. Here you can browse through your saved contacts and choose the one you want to update. Click on the contact you want to edit to open that contact's profile. When the contact profile opens, click the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This will open the contact editor, where you can make changes to that person's details. From here, update the information you need, such as the email address, primary phone number, or mailing address. If the contact needs more than one email, phone number, or address, use the options to add additional details. Click Add Email, Add Phone, or Add Address, depending on what you want to include. You can also use labels to keep your contacts organized. Click Assign Labels to add one or more labels to the contact. This can help you sort contacts based on categories that are important for your business. If you work with a team, you can also assign the contact to a specific team member by choosing an assignee. As you scroll further down in the editor, you will see the Custom Fields section. This is where you can view or update any custom information that has already been added for that contact. If you need to create a new custom field, click Add New Field and enter the information you want to track. After you finish making your changes, go to the bottom right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply all of your updates to the contact record. Once the changes are saved, close the contact editor to return to your contacts list. Finally, review the contact in the list and make sure the updated information appears correctly. This gives you a quick way to confirm that everything has been saved as expected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.